Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm up to bridge 7. I couldn't finish last time because I ran out of time. So let's go. We had to do this last time and I nearly ran out of budget. Yep, I ran out of budget. Okay. I want to see if it's truck proof. Oh, so that's what happened last time. Okay, now. Okay, this might help. If it's not the suspensions over there. Okay, dang it. Actually made it worse. Suspension's over here, so I need to... It's gonna break, but I do have some backup. A Rubik's Cube video will be coming out soon. Yeah. I'll go for the old triangle trick. So go up to there, to there, to there, to there. Nope. If you want to download the game, it's for free on the Play Store. But the only thing is the light version, so it's not actually complete. So yeah. So what did I do? I did that. It's a bit different on that side, but okay. Sorry if I can't talk that much, and if the audio's weird, if it's staticky. Oh well. It's not gonna make it. There's a lot of suspension. Well, actually, it is. Yay! Finally, I wonder. So yeah, finish this level. Since it couldn't last time. This is gonna take a long time. It took me a long time last time. Actually, this one should be easy. Oh, 10,000. That actually is it. Oh, what? I didn't reach it. How'd you do it? It won't break. It'll break. Wait, no, it won't. Yes! Yeah! Get the full version of. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Charles. And so yeah. I'm Greg. I'm Charles. I don't know. So yeah, bye. Minecraft will be coming out soon. So yeah. My YouTube name might be Greg Padilla. But yeah. Bye.